Architecture must submit. Humanity's condition is defined by the environmental extreme. Architecture, through its imposing scale, its invasive forms, its reckless material appetite, bears responsibility for this fate. Architecture has assumed arrogance, pitting design against nature, falsely presuming design could prove resistant. Architecture must atone for its destructive ignorance. No longer can architecture be derived from the arrogance of human will. Architecture's survival within the human condition is contingent upon its reaction to the environmental extreme. A new architecture, born of this extreme condition, must assume radical modesty. Modesty of form, modesty of structure, modesty of scale, modesty of material. Modesty, within the extreme, will fully embody intention, eliminating the arbitrary, embracing the elemental. Architecture will remain mute, observant, adaptive. Its sole intent, the humble will to survive. It is only through submission that architecture can achieve resilience. Submissive architecture will rely primarily upon representation of expansiveness, achieved through the interplay of viewpoint, scale, and collage. Predominant use of elevations and top views will illustrate, respectively, extended landscapes and boundless terrain. Architecture represented at a minute scale, placed within its vast, imposing environmental context, will convey the built as modest, inconsequential, and that which can never overcome its natural context. This will only be reinforced by the use of reductive geometry and erasure to represent submissive architectural form. A sense of depth, texture, and realism, created through collage, will draw attention to the austere environmental context that informs the built condition. Austerity of the natural and modesty of the built will be conveyed through low contrast grayscale and hints of muted color, designated solely to represent the environmental condition. Repetition of tonal and textural elements between built form and topographical form illustrate architecture's modest and submissive relationship to its environmental condition.